Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So today is lesson 4. The title of this video is that the things that I could not afford before Forex trading. And you know guys, many people think that when you become successful Forex trader, you need to have a car, you need to have a house, you need to buy land, you need to travel outside the country. But I'm here guys to tell you that you need to appreciate the little things that happens in your life as you proceed. So I want to show you 3 things that I could not afford guys. I could not buy these things, 3 things. So stay here if you want to see the 3 things that I could not afford or buy, and I will take you along. So guys, number 1 of the things that I could not afford or buy when I got into a supermarket or a mall or any shop was grapes. Let me tell you, grapes. You know, grapes is like 350 shillings, so it's for 350 shillings is like $3. So $3 for me, I could not come to like a decision. I want to buy grapes. Like I could enter in a supermarket, I take the grapes and I want to buy and maybe go and pay. And then what comes in my mind is like, I'm spending 350 shillings to buy just grapes, matunda. Like I'm just buying grapes, I go home and maybe my daughter is there, I have babies. I have not, like, for me, I could not come in terms. How can I buy grapes of 350 shillings? I don't know you guys if you get the vibe. But when I started doing Forex trading, I came to realize it's just $3. Like this is $3. So I'm here guys to show you me buying different types of grapes. For you, if you think it is cheap, good to you, but for me it's not cheap. It's something that is expensive, like fruits, and you know they are so small, tiny. So let me show you where I take my grapes as we go to the next thing. So I'm ready taking my grapes. Like I buy grapes every day, but I could not afford grapes before Forex trading. There is easy white grapes. This ones, the same. For me, I don't like the green ones. I've tried the green ones, but I don't like the green ones. So what I'll pick these 2. I can buy these 2. And matter of fact, coming here and being able to buy grapes, for me, I think it's an achievement. So when you're doing Forex trading and you can afford something small that you cannot afford, it's an achievement. It's an achievement, let me tell you. For me to just come here and take the grapes and take for my babies, they love grapes, I love grapes, it's an achievement. So what I'm telling you is that don't wait to buy a car for us to know you are making it. You can just pick that thing that you want, that small thing, and then you come and you can know that you're doing great. So let's go to the next item. So guys, I'm done with buying the grapes. Now I want to show you the second thing that I could not afford, like I could not buy, and it's chocolate. I love chocolate so much. So what happened if I get into a supermarket and you see that bar, the bar chocolate, it's almost like $250, 250 shillings. That's like $2, and I could not afford. So what I would say, I pick that chocolate and I'm going to pay, and I'm like, miambili, like I'm spending 200 on a chocolate that I'll eat. That's a whole packet of flour. Like I could not bring my mind to buy a chocolate. But today I'm here guys buying chocolate. I normally buy chocolate every time I get into the supermarket because I want to know that I can do it. So you don't need guys to wait to do something so big. I'm here to encourage you. So if you're a forex trader and you're being given pressure, buy a car, buy land, do all those things, travel, go to Dubai so that you can know you are successful. No, you can just do something small. I'm challenging you. Type down below what you that's small, something that you would do that you could not have done maybe a month ago, 6 months ago, an year ago. So you can see behind me I have this lovely chocolate and I don't know what to pick, and it's expensive, so I could not even buy 200 worth of chocolate, and I'm here I want to buy $30, like a packet that is worth like $30. So I'm seeing the price is 2,500. Oh my god. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's check the prices and then I'll pick it and I'm going to pay. So if I buy this or say like this or this one is almost, it's like $30, 2,800, 675. So the small one, a small, this one, is this one. So which one do I pick? Do I pick this one for Merry Christmas or do I do this? So it's all this, and there's this one. Wow, is this one. I think I should. Now I'm done with the grapes and the chocolate. The third thing, guys, that I could not afford but I loved it so much are sneakers. I need white sneakers. Today I purpose to come and buy white sneakers. I've been buying sneakers, but today I want to specify with white. I want to buy white sneakers. So those are some of the things that I could not afford and now I can afford. So let's go and look for those sneakers. So guys, I'm done buying the grapes, buying the chocolate. Now we are going to buy the sneakers. Me, I'm a lover of sneakers. I collect sneakers, but let me tell you the sneakers I collect. I collect the sneakers of 200, 500, 600. Those are the sneakers I collect. Like, I love sneakers so much. So if I find someone selling sneakers at the street, I can collect the sneakers. And the fact is, before I started forex trading, I could not even afford that sneakers of 200. I could not afford. Like, I could get into a street. I love the sneakers, I love the shoe. The shoe is good, but I cannot afford. So we are here at Floor. I think the shop is called Floor. They sell sneakers and they have very good and variety of products. So if they allow me to film, I'll be showing you how I'm doing them. I'll be checking the sneakers, and I want a white one. So let's get in, guys. So hii tutajua kama nini. So one of the mistakes that I was doing in my 3 years of trading, like my first 2 years of trading, is compounding my profits. Every time I compound my profits and I don't withdraw, I don't do something even constructive with the money, and then I end up blowing the profits and you start all over again. So what I can tell you guys is that appreciate your effort. I'm really emphasizing it doesn't matter how much you have. Even if you have hit your weekly goal and you have made $10, you have made $20, withdraw $5 and do something. You can buy a simple gift for yourself, you can treat yourself. So yeah, make sure that you do that. And yeah, so I'm still looking for sneakers. I've been to many shops, I can't find to see a good sneakers. So let me get into this now. I don't know, the 5th shop to look for the sneakers. I hope I'll find something that I'm looking for. But last really I didn't know because I want to sell it, but this is where you bought. I want to sell it, but then they said wherever you bought it, you have said that a bit big, but I prefer the big one. I take this is that, but in an is that it? Hey guys, finally I think I have found the shoe and I'll be showing you how it looks like on me. So it's a wrap guys. It's a wrap for me. Yeah, so in short, what I wanted to tell you, the purpose of this video is that the little thing that you can do it. If you can be able to go and purchase something that you could not afford before, go and do it. Go and buy that small thing. It doesn't matter how much. Don't put the price on it. The fact that you could not afford, that is the most important thing. What I have done, because I wanted to do this video to show you that don't wait for that day that you will. Now, don't wait for that day. Always pick a day like a growth, like you are progressing. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I've got my sneakers, I'll pay and then I go home.
Both of them are strengths. Ukiangalia limo ana strength